INI stands for Initialization. It's the old standard for saving program settings. You can edit these files to change how programs behave, like unlocking resolutions in old games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's tweak the settings. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical INI data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. An INI file, short for Initialization file, is a configuration file format used by various software programs to store settings and parameters. These files are typically plain text and organized into sections, each containing key value pairs that define the application's behavior and preferences. INI files are structured into sections denoted by brackets. With each section containing key value pairs, comments are often supported using semicolons or hash symbols hyout. The simplicity of the format allows for easy parsing and modification, making it suitable for storing user preferences and application settings. For reliable access to INI, start with a compatible app. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows may open the file easily, but safe modification requires knowledge of each setting's effect. We'll systematically check compatibility. Right-click your INI file and choose Open With. Start with the most relevant looking option in the list, especially anything mentioning a compatible app. If it fails, try the next app until one opens it. When your INI file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, Sublime text, to view the content as it is a plain text configuration file. Next, check Associated Program. Determine the associated program, e.g. game, utility, or Windows component, that uses the .ini file. Finally, check syntax. If the program fails, check the file for basic syntax errors, e.g. missing section headers, incorrect keys. When this INI file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Your best next step is File Magic. It opens almost every INI file type and is available right now at filemagic.com. Your time watching is highly valued. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.